Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So many of you really like my gold rose petal mirror, but are having a hard time finding the round mirrors at the Dollar Tree. So I thought I'd make a version using the square 8x10 mirror. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this version of my rose petal mirror, then just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the 8x10 mirror frames, 2 packs of the Dollar Tree craft sticks, 2 bags of the white rose petals. I used my Rust-Oleum gold metallic spray paint. I used some of this diamond mesh that I already had. I'll leave a link below. And I used my glue gun and glue sticks. I have a complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the cardboard and the mirror from the frame, and then I used my hot glue gun to add craft sticks around the back of the frame. I glued down a total of 64 craft sticks. Next, I flipped my design over and added another row of the craft sticks. I used my hot glue gun to attach one end to the top of the frame and the other end to the bottom layer of craft sticks. I then flipped my design over and added additional craft sticks to make sure that my design was as sturdy as possible. I then began gluing down my rose petals. I decided to make the design for my petals a little different on this mirror. I glued down 4 of the petals in different directions and then a second layer of those petals on top. Each flower had a total of 8 rose petals. I added this same flower design to every other craft stick, with the exception of the corners. For the 3 sticks in each corner, I added a flower design to each of those craft sticks. I then added a second row of my flower design. For my second row, I added the flower design to every other craft stick. I then used the hot glue to glue down some of the rose petals to hide the craft sticks that were closest to my frame. For any areas that couldn't be hidden, I simply added an additional rose petal. I then used a toothbrush that I often use to help me gather and remove my glue strings. At this point, I thought the design was really nice in white, but of course, you know, my accent color is gold. So I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it a good coat of my spray paint. As you can see, I gave it a heavy coat around the frame, but then a light coat on the petals, leaving some of the white visible. I think that keeping some of that white visible definitely enhanced the overall look of my design. Once that was dry, I brought my design back in and I added some flower mesh that I purchased from Amazon some time ago. I'll leave the link below. I just cut off some of the individual pieces and added those to the center of some of my flower designs. Not all, but just some, just to add a little bling. To complete the project, I returned the mirror and the cardboard back to its frames. I'm going to use the hanging hook that came with the mirror to hang my design. I then flipped my design over, added some additional flower mesh around the center mirror, and here was my finished look. So what do you guys think? I think I like this version of the mirror better than the round version. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.